This ogbono soup is thick and loaded with flavors. No stress at all. Oh, that's a lie. You know what I went through to cook this soup? But let me show you how to prepare a tasty ogbono soup. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Favor and this is Let's Cook. Our protein, which is beef and pomo, periwinkles, seasoning cubes, salt, hishupuruku, blended ogbono, crayfish, palm oil, obviously, and so on. I will list the remaining ingredients in the description below. Alright then, let's cook. So in a clean pot, add in your washed meat and pomo, stockfish, chopped onion, pepper, some seasoning cube and beef seasoning. Salt. Ooh. Let's add water to cook. Now cover and let it cook till soft. While the meat is cooking, let's prepare the ogbono paste. For the paste mixture, the ogbono. Now add in your palm oil. And mix. We'll be checking on the meat. The meat looks done and smells delicious. I've added in the ogbono paste. So I will cover it and let it cook. In the drawer. Now that our soup is almost ready, we'll get to add in your smoked fish, that's your panla fish, dried fish, and stir. And add in your crayfish. We cannot forget about crayfish, can we? That crayfish, what is this soup all about? It's nothing, we are just playing here. Periwinkles, and a bit more crayfish. And if your mouth is watering already, hit that subscribe button. I drop new recipes every single week. So you don't miss it. Hit the subscribe button right now. Add in the ugu. Let it simmer for just a bit. Taste test and make adjustments if needed. This ogbono soup is ready. Ha! This soup is giving rich auntie vibes though. The draw elite, the flavor mad. Are you team Eba or team Fufu? Let me know. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share for more. I'll see you guys next week. Biko, come chop.